When you first log in to TeachMore, your screen will look like this. And to make an appointment, you'll click on either the blue button that says appointments, or you can click on appointments on the top. Either one will get you to the same place. Click on a day to make an appointment. So I'm going to scroll ahead to September 20th. When you select an event, you'll choose homeroom. Select one of your teachers from your current class schedule. And then in the comment section, you'll let them know what you are coming in to work on or do. Create appointment. Now I can scroll to that month and I can see my appointment went through. It's blue because it is a student created appointment. If you see green appointments, those are ones that your teachers have made for you. The black ones are times that you were already checked in and are in the past. To delete an appointment that was previously made or make a change, you can click on the box and click on delete appointment. Okay, it's just going to ask you to confirm. And now you can go back in and make a different appointment with someone else or for a different day. And on the homepage, before you make any appointments, you'll want to decide if you want an email notification or not when you make appointments for yourself.